All right, so level 8 to 9. Password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt again, and is the only line of text that occurs only once. Yes. Okay. So something here, there's a command called unique. And remember, we can use Google or we can use the manual page for these commands. But basically, what this means is that there's going to be a data.txt and it's going to have multiple lines in it. And a lot of those lines are going to be repeating. But the only thing that won't be repeated, that is a unique line, a unique string in the text file, that is going to be the password to get to level 9. All right, we're rolling through it. So I like to go to Google, and you can't see what I'm typing because of my window. So we're going to go to the manual page for unique. Okay, you can also Google stuff. But unique basically takes the input, right? Writes it to output. And it says here, matching lines are merged to the first occurrence. Okay, well, we want just that one line that only, is unique, right? So there's got to be something in here that tells us that we can print the lines that are not duplicates. See right here, like dash capital D for the argument, that prints all duplicate lines. So let's find, right here, dash U. So we can put it through the command unique and do dash U only print unique lines when we cat it. So let's try that. Just in case. Data.txt. Okay. So we're going to cat data.txt, and just like piping that we did in the last one, we're going to put it through unique dash Q. I'm sorry, what? Did I miss something? Dash U. Why did I put dash Q? That was weird. All right, so whoops. So we're going to cat data.txt and pipe it into unique dash U. That was weird. What? No. Okay, so again, you're watching me make all kinds of mistakes. So something I realized is that unique, so you got to look into the way that a lot of these commands work in the background. Unique expects that the repeating lines are going to be next to one another. So unique dash U can get us the unique lines, but we need to sort the data. So we need to use a command called sort. And sort basically, and it's got a lot of different arguments, but sort kind of takes the lines, makes all of them, individual representations, and puts them in alphabetical order, right? Because the lines aren't next to each other. So instead, what we can do, if we did sort data.txt, that would, kind of like cat, it would print out all the lines of data.txt, but in a sorted order. And then if we put that through unique dash U, so the data gets sorted, then you put it through unique dash U to give us the unique line. Theoretically, this should give us just one line instead of a bunch of lines. Yep, there it is. And so that is going to be our password to get into level 9. I'm going to put this in our notes app. There we go. 9. All right.